Hi friends, my name is Zamaria and I am the social media community manager here at Ancient Nutrition. So today I am making coconut milk dairy-free vegan yogurt using our Ancient probiotics. So this is super awesome and convenient. Dairy-free yogurt can be really expensive, so you can just make some at home and it's super easy. You don't need any fancy equipment at all or anything, just 2 ingredients. So what I do is grab a can of coconut milk. You want to make sure you use full fat coconut milk because light coconut milk won't work. You want it to be nice and creamy. Oh, technical difficulties. You want your coconut yogurt to be nice and creamy and thick, so use full fat. You kind of want to mix it up a little bit because there is some separation in there, which is natural. I like to get most of the creamy stuff in there and not as much of the water. There we go. And then you grab a capsule. I used the 100 billion CFU probiotic. I've also tried it with the 50 billion one and I used 2 instead of 1. They both worked, so it just depends on your preference. Something to note is the color of our probiotics have this yellow tint to it because of the Ayurvedic herb blend that's in it. There's some turmeric, some ginger, there's some fenugreek. Okay, so once you put the capsule in there, you want to try to break up as much of it as possible using either a wooden or a plastic spoon. You don't want to use metal because it can interfere with the probiotics, so you don't want to destroy any of the good bacteria in there. Yeah, so you kind of do this for a little while until it's nice and distributed into your coconut milk. So you want to let this sit at room temperature on your counter for 24 to 48 hours. The longer you let it sit, the more it ferments and the tangier it gets. So it kind of just depends on your preference. After you're done doing it, you want to grab either a cheesecloth or a paper towel, cover the top. You take the top of your little jar and pop this little guy out. Or you can also use a rubber band if you use a cup, and then you seal it just so no little bugs get in there or anything overnight. And then you let it sit on your counter, like I said, for 24 to 48 hours. And then after that, this is the one I made last night. As you can see, the consistency is super creamy and delicious. Oh, I wish you guys could smell it. It smells like yogurt, but honestly, even if you're not a big yogurt fan, it's super good. Do you see this? Look at that color. It's the turmeric and ginger. Okay, so how I like to enjoy this is I love adding a little bit of strawberries and berries or even banana sometime. Oh, it's so good with granola and a little bit of chia seeds. And then you have yourself a nice little breakfast that is full of healthy fats, omegas, you have antioxidants from your strawberries and probiotics and your Ayurvedic herbs. Oh my gosh, it's so good. Yum, perf. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys make this probiotic dairy-free vegan yogurt at home. If you guys have any questions, feel free to reach out to our awesome customer experience team and they will help you guys out. Talk to y'all soon.